Hindi na ako magsusend ng picture sa messenger.
Hello guys, so ito yung na-check out ko na ating wireless mic. So ang ganda nito guys, itatry ko siya. Lalagay natin yung receiver kasi hindi pa siya gumagana ngayon guys. Mamaya makikita niyo yung difference. So ito guys, turn on ko na yung ating wireless mic. So nagbiblink na yung ating naka-steady na yung blue dyan guys, nagwo-work na siya. Ibig sabihin nagwo-work na siya. So ngayon, masisynchronize niya yung mga noise, yung iba, yung ugong na electric fan, yung mga ibang dyan, sound. So hindi nyo siya naririnig guys. Unlike kanina, yung ugong na electric pan naririnig nyo. Okay? Kaya perfect to sa mga nagla-live streaming, vlogging, and reporting guys. So perfect to guys. Kaya mag-check out na kayo. Baka maubusan kayo ng stocks. Okay? Check out na.
Hi guys, so niabot akong order. We're gonna learn and we're in share. So basically, this is the order I got. Don't mind my lashes. It's a mic, guys. So I got 2 pairs. I'm using it right now, and this one, and I got another one for $263 only, guys. $263 ba? Yes, $263. Go na go. Happy na go. Hey guys, kamusta madurang dapita? Ito guys, ito yung sound niya pag nagma-mic kayo. So this is actually good for vlogging or say magwa-podcast. Ito naman guys pag walang microphone. So clear naman yung sound but meron siyang mga background noise. Eto, binalik ko na. So, it's up to you to judge.
Me. So, yung boses ko pag walang mic, ganito yung boses pag walang mic. Hindi pa nakabukas yan, Ngayon, bubuksan natin. Ayan. Na. Halayuan ko ha, para hindi na siya lakas boses ko. Ito naman yung boses ko pag may mic. Pag nakasuot yung mic ko. Ito yung boses ko. Sana rinig nyo ng maayos. And then ito pag mas malapit.
everyone, I'm using this pink microphone, wireless microphone GLG-BK076765 test mic, test mic, test mic, test mic. Right now, nakaping po siya sa akin, medyo malayo sa aking bibig, pero okay na okay pa rin tong wireless microphone. Sobrang sulit siya, meron siyang adapter for the iPhone. So order na, test mic, test mic.
Dad, look at me. Think back and talk to me. Did I grow up according to plan? And did you think I pointed my tongue? Doing me I wanna do. I don't know.
Sabi sa comment, maganda. Nakakabawas ng ingay sa paligid. Ang resulta, hindi naman. Normal lang na nagsasalita ka tapos may mga naririnig din na ingay. Ayan lang.
This is the audio quality without the mic, and this is if I will be using the mic, so I hope you had a comparison between the two, so must buy its color pink. Thank you, seller.
What's going on? Talk to me. I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Take me off. Cut the show. I'm done.
Ito yung walang mic. At ito naman yung merong mic. Ayan. Hello, hello. Salamat seller. Napakaganda ng yung product. Kahit napakamura lang. At ang cute pa niya. Pink na pink. Bili na kayo.
Sound without receiver and mic. Now. Takes a minute. But now. Hello. Sound with receiver and mic.
Excuse me, has anybody seen a White Rabbit.
Sara na
Hello, hello. Sound check, mic.
Ako si niya si Malik si